Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to create powerful musical ministrations from God's Word, which is the Bible, and how to create an AI choir with a lead singer that will be ministering to us. So sit back, be blessed, and learn how to monetize what you will gain here today. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is to get Bible verses that we can convert into songs. So there are two ways. You can either consult ChatGPT to help you come up with Bible verses, or if you have some Bible verses that resonate very well with you, you could go ahead and use those ones as well. But in today's video, I have this prompt that I'll be using and I'll be giving to ChatGPT to help me come up with Bible verses that we'll use. And the prompt says, give me 5 powerful Bible verses that talks about God's favor and his promises to his children. And then I'll go ahead and send that. So ChatGPT has come up with 5 Bible verses for us. Psalm 5 verse 12, Jeremiah 29, Deuteronomy 28:12. Okay, so let's see which one we'll use. I like number 4, and that is what we will be making use of next. The next prompt I'm going to give to ChatGPT is this one here. So I'm saying turn number 4 into a soulful R&B gospel song. Use the message to create powerful lyrics for Suno AI to make into music, and I'll go ahead and send that to ChatGPT. So you can see ChatGPT has come up with his lyrics that we can use to create our music in Suno. So all I'm going to do now is copy all of this song lyrics into Suno AI. So I have copied all the song lyrics from ChatGPT, and next I'm on Suno. At the bottom here, you'll see where we have those icons. I'm going to click on create, and then I'll paste my lyrics here. You're going to have the custom turned on at the top here so that you can paste your lyrics. So this is where I'm going to paste the lyrics that I got from ChatGPT. And I'm going to remove all these tags like intro, the final chorus, the verses, and the likes. So let me just quickly do that. So once you take out all the tags, the next thing is to give a style of music to Suno. For this one, I'm going to say gospel R&B. Gospel R&B, that's the style of music I want to create. You can choose any style that you want. If you're not sure of what style it should be, you can also go back to ChatGPT to help you come up with styles. And for the title, ChatGPT gave us a title, so let's see what title it was. Right Hand of God. So I'll use that here and say Right Hand of God, okay, as my title. And then I'll just go ahead and click on create. So Suno will create 2 versions of the songs for us. You can see it's already generating. Once your music is done generating, all you have to do is click on the 3 dots beside the song or the music so that you can download it. And I have clicked on mine, and then you scroll down, you'll see where it says download, and you click on either MP3 or WAV audio to download. Again, WAV audio will give you the highest quality, but you need to be subscribed or to have the paid plan for Suno before you can get the WAV audio. The next thing we need to do now is to create a character, an AI character that will be singing our music. We have taken a verse and we have converted it into a music using Suno AI, right? So the next thing is to get a choir member or an AI character that will be singing our music. And I have this prompt here that I've given to ChatGPT. For all of the prompts I use in this video today, I'm going to leave them in the video description for you. So if you want to copy the prompt, please do well to check the video description. I'll also be dropping the links to all of the tools we're going to use today, so you can take a look at that as well. And my prompt says a realistic image of a confident African-American woman. It's a long prompt, so you can see that. And this is what ChatGPT has given to us. Look at how beautiful that is. So all I have to do now is click on save to save this onto my device. Now the next thing we need to do is to animate this image that we have gotten from ChatGPT, and to do that I'm using Kling AI. So once you open your Kling. At the bottom, you see the plus sign. Click on the plus sign and click on image to video. So I'm going to bring in the image that I just downloaded from ChatGPT, which is this first one at the bottom here. Okay, and then I'm going to put my prompt here. I have a prompt that I've already written, so I'm going to paste that. I'll also leave the prompt in the video description for you if you want to copy it. And the prompt says the lead singer is singing passionately at the front of the church while the people behind her move in sync from left to right like backup singers or dancers, all wearing matching burgundy choir robes. Okay, and I'm going to click on that, and then before I send it, you see where it says negative prompt. So I'm going to give some negative prompt. So these are things that you don't want in your video, things like blur, distortions, right? Low quality. I want a high quality video. I don't want any form of disfigurement, right? So things you don't want in your video, just type them here. Okay, and then you select the duration you want. I usually go for 10 seconds, and you'll see here that it's going to cost me 40 credits to be able to create this video. So I'm going to click on generate, and that will generate for us. Okay, so this is saying I need to wait for more than 1 hour for it to generate. Okay, so I'm just going to hold on while this generates. Once it's done generating, I'll come back and show you guys the result. Another tool that we can use to convert our image to video is Hailuo AI. I've used this tool quite a number of times in my previous videos, so if you have been following me, you will know that those are the two tools I usually go to, Kling and Hailuo. So while we're waiting on Kling, let's see if we can get something from Hailuo, and I'll go ahead and bring the same image that we got from ChatGPT, which is this one, and I'm going to use the same prompt that I gave to ChatGPT also here. Once you put your prompt, just go ahead and click on create. But let me say something here. So I'll say a static shot, because what I've noticed with with Hailuo is that by the time it creates the video, there's this kind of camera movement that it gives to it that may not give it a good result. So I usually like to put a static shot at the beginning. Okay, a static shot of the lead singer singing. Yeah, so I'll modify this prompt this way for Hailuo, and then I'll click on create. So it's being processed now. Hailuo gives you 100 free credits every day that you can use for your generation. So I'm just using it for the first time today, so I still have 70 credits left. So we can say that our video is now generating. So let's wait on them, both Kling and Hailuo, to give us the videos, and once they are done, I'll come back to you guys. Hailuo AI is done generating our video, and this is what is given to us. So this is what we're going to be using, and to download, I'm going to click on the arrow down here that says download, and because I have the free version, it's going to come with watermark, so I have downloaded that onto my device. The next thing we're going to be doing is lip syncing. Now we have our music that we have generated from a Bible verse. We have a choir that is ready to sing. Now we need to give them the music. We need to lip sync the music. And for that, I'll be using my favorite tool, my favorite lip syncing tool, which is Dreamface app. So I'll click on video lip sync, and then I'll click on avatar and go into my album to bring the video that I just got from Hailuo. Okay, and then I'm going to click on where it says add script to continue, bring my music from that I downloaded from Suno. So I'll click on import, and I'll go to files. So the title of my music is Right Hand of God. Okay, so that is my music. Now by default, if you're on the free version, Dreamface app can only lip sync videos of up to 30 seconds, but I have the paid plan, so I can lip sync for 3 minutes at a go. But my music here is a little bit longer than 3 minutes, so I'll do the first 3 minutes first, and then I'll come back to lip sync the other part. So I have the first 2 minutes 58 seconds here. I'll go ahead and lip sync this first, then I'll do it again for the remaining seconds of the music. So at the top, I click on continue or confirm, and then I click on animate. So that will lip sync my video for me. My video is done lip syncing, and this is what we have. Drowning in the silence, feeling all so all I have to do from here is just click on this down arrow and download it onto my computer, right? So once you're done downloading, you have your music ready for you, and the last thing you have to do is import your music to CapCut to crop out the watermark from Minimax or Hailuo AI that we got, and also do final editings on your videos. In my last video, I showed a thorough walkthrough of how I edit my videos in CapCut. So if you have not seen the previous video, I'm going to also link it in the video description for you, or somewhere above this video, so you can watch that video once you're done watching this one, okay? Just so that this video is not so long, because I've showed you previously. And once you're done editing your video, the next thing you have to do is just upload on your YouTube channel or on TikTok or Instagram, and you get monetized for your views. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you're here to subscribe to the channel, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button, as I'll be bringing you more amazing ways to use different AI tools and how to monetize them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.